Today we are going to talk to you about a very exciting animal, seahorse.
Seahorse. Seahorse.
The seahorse is one of the mysterious and graceful inhabitants of the seas. Coming from the hippocampus genus, these small marine creatures form a colorful and intriguing part of the underwater world. Seahorses are known for their distinctive appearance, calm movements, and interesting lifestyles. One of the most prominent features of seahorses is their long and straight body structure. They can be of various colors such as green, yellow, brown, or pink, and their bodies are covered with skin. This skin provides seahorses with some advantages, as they can change colors and perfectly blend into their surroundings. Seahorses have a distinctive skull structure at their heads. This structure gives seahorses a unique appearance, resembling the head of a horse. This similarity is what led to seahorses getting their name. Additionally, this interesting head structure includes their eyes, which are often large and can move independently, allowing them to carefully observe their surroundings. Seahorses are very calm and slow swimmers. They move gently through the water, using their slender tails to maneuver. This slow movement provides seahorses with advantages in hunting and avoiding dangers. Moreover, their graceful movements create a visual spectacle in the underwater world. These unique marine creatures are typically found in oceans, seagrass beds, and coral reefs. They usually feed on microscopic organisms, capturing them with their slender tube-like mouths. Seahorses also use various color changes to adapt to their environment, crucial for hunting and protecting themselves from dangers. The reproductive process of seahorses is also noteworthy. Females are larger than males and often have a distinctive colored pouch. Male seahorses deposit eggs into the pouches of females, and then the male seahorses carry and nurture the eggs, showcasing a unique method of reproduction. In conclusion, seahorses are fascinating and captivating creatures of the seas. Their elegant appearance, calm movements, and unique reproductive methods make seahorses popular marine animals for people of all ages. Understanding the natural habitats of seahorses and supporting conservation efforts are essential to ensure their future existence.